Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic. When it comes to working on your car and replacing sensors, sometimes it's difficult to replace them just because you might not know where they're located at, especially on a newer car where there's a whole bunch of sensors. On this 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, we need to replace the intake air temperature sensor. It's very easy to get to. As long as you know where it is, it just locks into place, and we'll show you how to do it. When you're looking at the front of the engine, you can see the throttle body over here on the passenger side. The IAT sensor is this sensor right here. To get it out, it's as easy as removing the plug, rotating it, and sliding it out. Installation is just as easy. So on the sensor, it has this little tab that sticks out. Once it's locked, it's going to face the firewall. You're going to want to put it in and then rotate it down a little bit and jiggle it around. It's very hard to get it seated all the way. So until it's seated flush there. Now you're going to want to rotate it until that tab is facing back on the firewall. And it's very difficult to do it because it's keeping it tight in here. So now we have it rotated and locked in, and that tab is facing towards the firewall. Now, all you got to do is plug it back in. It takes a little bit of effort just to get it locked. Once it's locked, it's not coming out. On a Chrysler vehicle, a lot of sensors are difficult to get to or hidden. That IAT is actually very easy to get to once you know what you're looking for. If you have anything else you'd like to learn about, any other tools you'd like to see, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic. Check our other page out, Third Pedal Engineering. We'll see you guys next time.